Welcome to Vibe Student Living. I'm going to show you around the ground floor lobby space and all of the facilities that are available to you. So point number one, Vibe is super safe, super secure. Only you and the team can access the building with your FOB passes. Let me show you. We're in. Follow me. To get into the space, again, you're going to need your card to present onto the security reader and pass on through as a resident. Okay, you'll notice we've got loads of comfy furniture for you to take a seat, meet with your friends, mingle. Welcome to somewhat the games area of the lobby space. To begin with, we've got the foosball or the table football, depending on where you come from in the world. But there's more. Follow me. We have, to use at your leisure, a pool table. Come and see the team at the front desk. We'll give you the pool sticks, we'll give you the balls, whatever you need. The same with the bats and balls and the table tennis. So for anyone that likes just to take a break from the study, you've got a break in between lectures, or you've got a day off, invite your friends, come and have some fun. Loads of comfy seating. We've got PowerPoints everywhere, so you can work down here, plug your phones in so you can stay connected. Come down to the lounge area. So another really great space down here on the ground floor lobby is our lounge area. Lots and lots of comfy seating. Loads of great space. Again, PowerPoints all around you to plug your laptops in, plug your mobiles in, whatever devices you've got. You can use the TVs for games consoles, smart TVs, Netflix, YouTube, whatever you need really, it's all here. And the great thing, like all of our communal spaces here at Vibe Student Living, is that they're open to you, all inclusive in your rates, 24 hours a day. We'll see you soon. Hi folks, thanks for joining me. You find me in the lobby here at Vibe Student Living, where I have another great space to show you, exclusive to residents. This is your very own private boardroom or study space. Again, accessible by your resident's key fob. Come on through and take a look. So, welcome to the boardroom. We fully appreciate that your studios or your cluster en suites are your own private living spaces, and from time to time you're going to want a change of scenery. So you have in your own building your very own boardroom where you can invite your guests, your study buddies, bring in your lecturers or tutors, whoever it may be, to make the most of the air conditioning or heating, depending on the time of year. Huge, great big smart TV to plug your laptops in and work on those presentation skills or your dissertation pitches, whatever it might be. We've got a great space here for you to use in addition to your own living spaces. Here at Vibe, 24 hours a day.